Ling and my student ID is 03314446.
Hi, my name is Paul Song Yang and my student ID is 0332344.
Hi, my name is Ahal Chawal Minori. My student ID is 0335372.
Hi, my name is Kenneth Kulikan and my student ID is 0334368.
Hi, my name is Harvin. My student ID is 0326935.
Hi guys, my name is Divya. My student ID is 0328235.
Hi, my name is Russell Yap and my student ID is 0330409.
Hi, my name is Dora Kanchian and my student ID is 0334.
Hi, my name is Han and my student ID is 0334714.
So right now I will be summarize what is the Crosswell International case background. Basically, what is Crosswell? Crosswell is one of the most US manufacturer that has specialized in children diapers. Therefore, they have their distributor and exporter. So who are the distributor and who are the exporter? Distributor, it will be Leonardo Sosa, and the exporter, it will be Drone Mative. So Crosswell and Leonardo Sosa are having long-term friendship, and they always have been training partner most of the time because they believe they have the trustworthy partner and honest partner. Therefore, what are the issues right here? So basically, Crosswell have faced a lot of issues such as Crosswell ships. Basically, they need to pay for 60-day payment, and because of the long physical cost over. Therefore, they have two charges. First, it will be account with the maintenance draft, which is 60-day payment, and the second it will be it have to account value of the discount value per today, which is 10%. Therefore, they have their own competitors, which is Johnson & Johnson and PJ. Well, in that case, Johnson & Johnson and PJ have their own cheaper price than Crosswell. Therefore, in order for them to expand their own business, Crosswell they have to import duties and to pay more tariff in order for them to expand their business in Brazil marketplace. The first, it will be if Leonardo Sosa is one of the very change of the Crosswell, and second, it will be if Crosswell International is penetrate to the market, how could they resolve it? Moving on, I will pass my answer to my fellow friends. They're going to answer question 1 and question 2 answer.
Distributor role that in this case Sosa is the key success for a product, for a consumer product. Crosswell's entire success in the Brazilian marketplace will depend on not only the price quality of the offering of Crosswell's product, but also the ability of Sosa to search out and penetrate the retail distribution and outlets to reach its consumers.
If Sosa is not adequately staffed or financed, they may face problems in financing, the distribution costs, and reliability, which may hinder their entry in the market. If they can't enter in the market, this will result in poor quality of service and face problems with their competitors, or hence both.
It's because it's very difficult for companies, in this case Crosswell, to find good partners in Brazil, as the company has no knowledge in the Brazilian marketplace. Hence, the American Chamber of Commerce plays a very important role in this situation. It provides information for any US firms that wishes to penetrate into the Brazilian marketplace.
As discussed in question 1, financing expenses may be an area where savings will still be found. Sosa's margin on distribution, 20% Exhibit 2, is relatively high given that the retailers themselves have around 30%.
Retailers themselves carry differing levels of negotiating power depending on the size of the actual retail, whether it's large retail or small retail, named tiendas across Latin America.
Taxes and government charges are not negotiable as it represents the cost and complexities of the attempt in competing importation.
In summary, Crosswell is a US-based diaper manufacturer, and given that this is its first foray into the Brazilian market, it is imperative for Crosswell to select a strategic partner to ensure its success. In this case, Crosswell needs to clearly evaluate whether its partner, Medical Hospital and Sosa in this case, would be able to have its financing abilities and have the relevant expertise to penetrate into the retail distribution within the local Brazilian market. Apart from that, once it has successfully selected its partner, it also needs to ensure that it has a price advantage over its competitors, given that their costs are much lower and their pricing is much more competitive as compared to its current products. This is where it can further explore cost-saving strategies such as bargaining with retailers, bargaining with its strategic partners to ensure that Its price point remains competitive within the Brazilian market, therefore ensuring that its products succeed in the new market. Thank you.
Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Oh, very good ah! Shit again. Name and ID.
My name is Dora Danshi.
When you realize you have a lot of things to memorize, but you're trying to memorize it. Look at Kenneth's face.
Give it a
Cannot do one more time. Do one more time. Do one more time.
to memorize, yeah.
What happens if you start doing words at the end moment?
That's my another
Cannot do one more time.
Huh?